Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for gold for Tuesday, April the 5th, 2011. Well, a very bullish day today, and we can see that the uptrend that the market was in the previous day has continued, with the market making a higher high and a higher low. A very large green body, which is quite different than a lot of the trading we've seen in the last 2 days. A lot of bullishness in this market at the moment. And the large green body tells us that the buyers have made very significant net bullish progress. The buyers have also closed the market up towards the high, which means that they've got total control of this market, and they've been in control of this market for almost all of the day, except for when the market tested down at the Tenkan-sen and found support down around there. The buyers are also showing very solid commitment. Now, the market has taken out these resistance areas around 1440, extending up to 1448, which were very important areas for this market. So a very bullish move here. And a breakout above this large congestion area that we identified yesterday as a potential diamond top. Now, that's the thing with all of these patterns too. We do need to see confirmation of these patterns. We never preempt these patterns, and any pattern really technically can be either a reversal or a continuation pattern. In this case, this is a continuation pattern. However, with the diamond tops, they do tend to be reversal patterns, so there was probably more probability that the market would break out to the downside. Now, no one's right all the time, and that's why we always need confirmation of these patterns. So if we did have a bearish breakout to the downside, that would have confirmed this diamond, and the breakout to the top side has failed to confirm this as a bearish pattern. Now, in terms of Ichimoku charts, we are trading up above the cloud, so the market maintains its overall bullish bias that we've had for some time since we broke out of this above the cloud a few months ago. The market's also trading above the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, so the market's bullish in the medium-term and fast-term timeframes, and that is confirmed by the Chikou span, which is trading above the corresponding price action. So bullish confirmation all around. And we have good solid upside momentum in all timeframes now, with the indicators pointing up fairly sharply, so quite a bullish market. Now, one thing to be careful of, though, is that when we get these very bullish moves, quite often we can have an exhaustion of that move, and the bears don't take control, but they do. We do get a bit of profit taking, and the bulls like to relax. So there is possibility that the market could come off to a degree. I'm not saying that it will, but we do need to be aware of that. The first level that we should look to support, if that does happen, is around 1448.5, the top of this previous resistance area. There is a possibility that that will act as support, and that area will now extend down to this 1440 level. So that is an important level of support now for this market. Down below there, we have a lot of support down below, extending down to this swing low around 1410, and certainly extending down to the cloud, which is trading roughly around 1390 at the moment. So a very bullish move today, and the trend is up, good bullishness in the market. Watch the high for a potential continuation of that trend to the upside, and certainly if the market does come off to a degree, look to these areas of previous resistance to hold as support.